We're going to talk about how to copy a specific MongoDB collection and copy all data exactly to another one. So how you can do that fast, because sometimes you need, for example, back up your data. Maybe you will make a change on maybe you want to make some tests on exactly the same data, but not mutating the original one. So you have to copy all data to another collection, which means you have to export all data in collection and then import it again, the new collection that you created. So it takes a lot of time, and it depends on, like, if the data is about millions, then that will take like 3 or 4 hours, I guess. And also it will double it. Let's say you are exporting, it takes 4 hours, for example, 5 millions of data, and then you have to import it again in the collection, and it takes another 4, and you're just wasting your 8 hours like exporting and importing data continuously. And sometimes maybe you have lost the connection to the database and all your progress will gone, basically. So to prevent such operations, I have figured out some fast way to handle, like, to copy data in few minutes. And today I'm going to demonstrate it to you using this JSON generator. So I have 700,000 documents, I guess, and I've downloaded it, and now I'm going to import all this data into MongoDB. So that is the Mongo compass that I'm using, and let's just generate a new database. So I will name it my DB maybe, and collection, my collection, create database. We'll just go and import all data, JSON, here it is, and import. So as you see, it takes, alright, so I have fewer documents than I expected, but that's okay. I just want to show that, like, if it's going to be millions, the progress will be very, very slow, and you're going to be out of patience at some certain point. So that is not recommended way. Yeah, you see, all data is there. If your data is maybe less than a million, then you can apply this. Oh, I have some 90k documents. I just not calculated properly inside generator, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you how it basically looks like to import a JSON file. So actually, let's say you have such collection. First, you are going to export it using here, and it will take time, and importing will take time. So there's a shortcut of doing this copying or entire collection. Let's go back and let's open Mongo terminal, Mongo shell, or actually. So in here we're going to go inside of a database. I will say use my DB. And now we are going to use aggregation pipeline and basically aggregate all of data, and we're going to use out query basically to, while reading, like, push all our data from my collection, or basically copy each document from my collection to another collection. Alright, so let's write the command. It's going to be db, which is our db current one, my db, and then we're going to go inside collection, which is my collection, and then we're going to use aggregation, and we're going to use out, and a new collection name that we want to copy all data from, or actually copy all data to. So the target for my collection is the source one, and let's say the target one will be another collection. And when I press enter, the command will run, and it was pretty fast, because as I said, the number of documents is less than even 100,000, but that should take about like a minute or two if you have about 4.5 or 5 million documents. So I'm going to refresh the database, and as you can see, here's the new collection and all of our data is there. And as a proof, I will go back and you see we have exactly the same number of documents there. So if you have indexes in your collection, that will not going to migrate to new one, so you have to add those indexes manually in case. So yeah, that was the one of the cool thing that I found, and I'm going to share such information with you continuously. I will try to, and yeah, hopefully that will help someone out there to fast migrate their data or fast copy their data. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.